Making your own croissants like at the baker's in no time, ready to eat, warm and delicious, this is what Tupperware's Croissant Party will allow in a very easy way. The Croissant Party is made of 2 pieces, a 2-sided reversible frame to realize 16 small or 8 large croissants, a small spoon, which is the ravioli maker small spoon, to quickly and safely dose the amount of filling you need. The Croissant Party comes with 8 anti-skid feet that need to be placed on each side of the frame before using it for the first time. They make it easy to use the Croissant Party safely without sliding. Place the Croissant Party on the countertop. Remove the spoon from the frame by pushing on the stamper and unclipping it gently. Roll the dough on the pastry sheet and fold it in 4 in order not to deform it. Place it on the Croissant Party so that it is placed in right angle with the middle. Unfold it once and then a second time. Your dough will be correctly placed. With the rolling pin filled with cold water, cut the dough starting from the center and going to the borders. The edges from the frame will cut your dough in equal triangle shapes. You can also use the B2B small rolling pin. Finally, remove the excess of dough all around with the small spoon by following the round all around the frame. The dough cutter from the B2B small rolling pin can also be used. Your croissants have now a perfect similar shape. With the King's Scepter, slightly humidify the point of each triangle to make them glue when they will be rolled. With your fingers, slightly mark the dough to visualize the place where you will put the filling. To fill your croissants while using the small croissant side, place 1 spoon of filling for each small croissant where you marked the dough. To fill your croissants while using the big croissant side, place 2 spoons of filling for each large croissant in between the 2 finger marks from each croissant. Then, when all the filling has been applied, with the help of your index going through the holes, gently push up the dough and roll to the point. Place the croissants on the silicone baking sheet with enough space in between them, as they will increase while cooking. With the King's Scepter, apply a fine layer of egg yolk to have a nicer cooking result. To have the final touch, you can also add some sesame or cumin seeds or flake almonds on top of the croissants. The croissants will be cooked in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 12 minutes. The small croissants are ideal to use for buffets or receptions with savory fillings. The big croissants have a nice size for sweet fillings for the breakfast or a coffee with friends. The B2B Croissant Party can also be used to make nice individual pizzas or tarts, allowing choosing the filling you like on how many pieces you want. But it's not all. The B2B Croissant Party is also the ideal tool to realize various snacks based on brick or rice sheets, which are ideal complements as appetizers in their savory version and as dessert in their sweet one. You can also make your buffets more complete by adding to the existing croissants small sandwiches that you can easily realize with the frame. A last additional usage is to use the Croissant Party to mark your cake in order to realize equal portions. Small grooves will appear on your cake and you will just have to cut it after. For a nice storage, clip back the spoon. As the frame is extremely flat, it doesn't take any space when in your cupboards. From breakfast to dinner, or from snacks to cocktail parties with friends, the croissant party will make your life easier.